I have been a fan of Candie's longer than I can remember because my mother had a pair of Candie's Mules that I absolutely adored. And so, although I didn't buy them last year, Gwendolyn gave in and got herself a pair of Candie's this year. And I'm going to compare them to the Veronica Beards from Dr. Scholl's. That is what is coming up next. All right, so let me get over this really quick because I was out at the Container Store recently, and I had to get another shoebox for my shoes. Now these just arrived, but I want to have a quick conversation about Candie's and Dr. Scholl's. So my mother had a pair of nude Candies when I was a kid. I loved those Mules. I loved them. Loved them so much. I walked around in them at any time I could, inside, outside. We didn't have this beautiful cushioned sole, but I loved them. And they had that sort of like hard plastic bottom like this one. Loved them. So when I saw these, I said, Gwendolyn, think about it. I didn't buy them last year. I let last year go. But it's almost spring here in Texas. And so I said, Gwendolyn, you need to go ahead and get you a nice sort of middle of the road brown pair of Candies, of Mules. Now, a couple of years ago, I picked up these. I know you guys remember these. These sold out so fast on the Dr. Scholl site, but this is that special combo, or I should say collaboration, pardon me. Special collaboration with Veronica Beard that Dr. Scholl's did. And you're looking at it, you're like, but they look so similar. They are very similar. They are very similar. But Candie's have always had this really plastic kind of bottom. My mother's did not have this wood bottom. She didn't have that, but they're still, of course, extremely cute and very comfy. This Veronica Beard sole is nice and cushioned. Love it. But these Candies, look, let me tell you something. Hold on. I'm gonna have to zoom in on this because you gotta get in close. Look at that. Look at that sole. Look at that cushion. It is insane. I've already been walking around the house in them because they're so cute and so comfortable. I am tempted to get another pair. The girlfriends have said you don't need another pair. I would like a black pair. Like a black pair would be so cute. We shall see what happens. We'll see. At the moment, I'm not touching it. At the moment, but you don't know, like I just may have to. So with that said, these beautiful Candies, I got them from Nordstrom, and let me shout out Nordstrom for the really quick shipping because I bought these on March 11th and they arrived this past Saturday. What was that? What was that? The 15th, 14th, 13th, 15th. Yes, bought them on the 11th, got them here on the 14th. Sorry, 15th. That was really quick. Sometimes it works out well for you. But these are the cutest shoes. And I put all of my shoes in shoe boxes, but there's not a shoe box, a regular women's shoe box that's gonna fit this heel. So I don't need all the paper, and although I love this, I don't need this. I am just gonna place these bad boys in this high heel shoe box. So we'll recycle that. But these are gonna go into the high heel shoe box that I picked up at the Container Store. And so they'll just go in there like that. They will go on the shelf, just like the Veronica Beards. Now these Veronicas, these Dr. Scholl's, because it's her brand, they did come with this shoe bag. The few times I have traveled with these, yes, I do put them in the shoe bag. So that has happened. So I'll leave that there. But I love this high heel shoebox that you get at the Container Store. So they will go on the shelf just like that. I don't know. I mean, I'm thinking I need a black pair. Like, I just really believe that a good solid black pair of Mules, high heel Mules, would be very good. What say you? Let me know. Put it in the comments. If you like the Candies or if you're rocking the Dr. Scholl's, let me know. Dr. Scholl's has some jellies out right now. I don't know how I feel about paying $130 for a pair of jellies. I'm just not really feeling that. But I may go back for another pair of these candies. Until then, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.
Hey, it's Gwendolyn. Thank you for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this content, I would love it if you would like and share. And if you want to see more, check out this playlist or this other suggested video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you soon.